Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to add a border around a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro, and then the first thing that we will need to do to add a border right here into this video is to add a color matte. So to add a color matte, you must locate your project panel, which is mine, is right here, and I'm gonna need to expand this right here just like so that I can see this new item icon right here. So I'm gonna click on this one and I'm gonna go click for color matte, and then from here I'm gonna go and click OK because it already matched my settings automatically, and then I'm gonna go pick a color for my border just like so right here. So in my case I'll go for white right here, and then I'm gonna name my color matte. So I'm just gonna go for color matte 1, and then I'm gonna drag my color matte into my timeline. And as you can see, it's all white because the video is at the bottom right here. So you need to place it at the top of the color matte, just like so. And then from here, you're gonna go and scale your video into a smaller one so that you would see the border, just like that. And then now you have a border right here. But as you can see, the top and the sides of the spacing is not really accurate. So what you can do is select your color matte, and then from here you want to go into scale and uncheck uniform scale, and then from here go into the scale width and decrease it a tiny bit right here. So we're gonna go and do it like this one. So I think that would match it, and now we have this nice border around our video just like that. And remember that it is not necessary to use color matte. You can use any image or even videos if you want to make it as a border right here. So you'll basically just replacing the color matte with the same method. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.